Welcome back again. Now let's get back to the work. So I told you earlier we'll be making this one a full screen. So for that one we need, normally it comes from here. So from here you can install VMware tools. So normally when you freshly set up VMware, you'll get this option. But I have done so many changes on this VMware, that's the reason it's not coming up. But no worries, we can get it back. So what I need is ISO file. So just go to setting here, and from here let's put that thing. So you will find that particular file, that is windows.iso. So normally what it does, it installs all the files that requires to visualize your thing in the full screen. So from here I have chosen just like that. Okay, so just hit OK, and you will see. So okay, so you will see this one CD drive is now, you can set up here. So there you go, it's installing the VMware tools, so you can work in full screen. So my suggestion is you do this one when you freshly install. So just install, next, that's it. Okay, so installing the thing here. Let's wait a couple of minutes, it will be done. So since till this process is going on, let's go to somewhere. Let's minimize this one. Let's see the detailed configuration of our sub. Okay, there you go, it installed the thing. There you go. So now we are full screen. Woohoo, yeah. Now let's go to the local server. Now you can get all the information of your server from here, the local server. So right now the name of the computer, the main server, is win HLGE 7RDPPPFR. So, and is the work group is connected is work group, and other thing is the time zone is this one. You can change the time zone. Yep. So you can change the name. So let's change the name first. So let's name to AD. Since we are making this AD, we can change. Sorry, that's a description. We need to go here. AD. Okay. AD means Active Directory. I think you know about Active Directory. So it's saying you must restart. So apply, restart later. Yeah, and let's do one more thing. We need static IP in order to promote this server to Active Directory. So this one is finished. Not now. Let's go to ncpa.cpl to set the IP address statically. So just double click on this one, go properties, TCP IP, double click there. Now IP address, now give 192.16, okay, 192.168.1.1, and default subnetmask. You don't need any gateway. So okay, there you go, IP address is set. Now just let's restart the thing, restart the machine, and we'll be back. So our server is now starting up. Okay, now let's log in. So you can press this sign, or you can click Ctrl Alt Delete to log in. Yeah, I'll okay. I'll use this one for now, but it might be handy to press Alt Insert Delete. So our server is loaded. Now thing is, we need to promote this server to Active Directory, and it's quite easy and straightforward to do. But something you need to understand is you must have like a short name, so that it will be easy for you to configure later on. Next thing you need to do is set the IP, static IP in the NIC. Okay, because we are doing this one because on coming days we'll be expanding this thing. That's why it's better to start with the minimal things, the basic thing we need to do. Now let's move on to local computers. So there you go, computer number changed to 80 and work group to work group. Now and the other things, the processor is here, so disk space, RAM, everything is here, and the operating system version is here. So these are the things, and let's drag it a little bit more, and these are the logs normally. So events, so what happened, so this one, error, these are the normally the power, because of power failure, because we restarted the system. Okay, now let's move on to promoting the server to Active Directory. Now let's start here. So configure this local server, so add roles and features, so hit next. A role based or feature based installation, that's fine. Next. Okay, select the server from the virtual pool. This is the one, AD, that's fine. Now here it comes, so Active Directory domain service, that's the one. It will add more features here, that's fine. Add features. Now that's the one. Now next and next, I think. Yep, there is nothing, that's fine. Hit next and next. That's the for Azure. We'll come to those things later on in Azure classes. Now next, yeah, so these are the things. So we start installing this thing, and if you like to see how to configure through PowerShell or XML, then here's the configuration. You can save this one as XML. So installation started on 80, so it will take some time to install. So I'll come back after it's about to finish. Till then I'll pause the video. There you go, so it's done. As installation succeeded on 80. Now here promote this server to domain controller. If you click this one, then it will be formatted to domain controller. Yep, so now it comes the domain controller. Now we can create, this is the fresh setup, so we'll add a new forest. Yeah, so specify the domain information, so root domain name. So I'll name this one as btcloud.com. Next, so my first name will be btcloud.com. And so next thing is we need to type the password for DSRM. Yeah, it's for directory service restore mode. Sometimes we need to restore the things. At that time we might need password. It's better to use password. I'm just putting the password here. Next, Okay, so we don't create DNS delegation right now, we just hit next. Okay, net BIOS name, so it will select, okay, your net BIOS name is BT Cloud, that's fine, BT Cloud. Okay, and it's asking where to store database folder, log files and sysvol folder, so I'll choose C drive by default, that's fine. Let's hit next. Yep. And if you want how these things are done through scripting, you can view the script from here. View script, you will see the script, and this is a PowerShell script. So if you run this script on a PowerShell, then this one will be promoted. So it means the things, the step that I just show you, you can do to the script. That's the thing. So now hit next. Now, so it's verifying prerequisites for domain controller operation. So prerequisite is checking the prerequisites. So these are the so exclamation, these are the all requests check pass successfully, click install, begin installation. So these are the things, so you can go through, but here check completely, all requests checks pass successfully, so click install to begin installation. So I'll start install. Now it will install all the things that we selected, and it will be promoted to Active Directory. And once it's promoted to Active Directory, we can create users on Active Directory, create OU on Active Directory, add computers. Yeah, so basically we can manage all the users and computers there, and we can create groups, we can apply group policies, so a lot of things we can do on Active Directory. So let's see what we can do more, and let's hope this session will be interesting for you. Okay, so it's installing. Yeah, there you go. So you are able to sign out. So since we installed the Active Directory, so since we promote it to Active Directory, so it will sign out. That's fine, no problem. It will restart, that's completely okay. So now my server will be promoted to Active Directory, and we can start creating users, OU, and we can create other machines and log in from that machine to Active to this server, and it's pretty interesting, and you'll enjoy this one. So this is the basic thing we need to learn if you are learning server. So Active Directory, that's the most thing. You can do research on online wave, so that's the best thing you can get started with the Active Directory. We're back again. Now let's log into the computer, server. There you go. So this is the domain, so BT Cloud. Under that domain, the administrator is the account name. So let's enter the password. Boom, we're logged in. Now now the server manager is loading up. There you go. Let's close this one and click on local server, and there you go. Now the work group is btcloud.com. So sorry, domain is btcloud.com. Now it's on domain. Now, so if you go dashboard, and if you can see what are the services, what's happening here. So you can get message here. So everything looks fine, everything is green, up and running. If you see services, these are some services. so we don't care of these services, so that's fine. So these are the things we need. The services had stopped, that's fine, no problem. Okay, there you go. So we have successfully configured Active Directory on 2022 Windows Server. That's the thing we wanted to do. Now one thing is close this. Okay, close this one, and what I need to do is I need to open OU. I mean this we can open OU. So to do that one, you type command dsa dot, so Active Directory users and computer. If you write dsa dot, if you type whole thing dot msc, it will just directly go there. If not, it will go there. So there you go. So this is our Active Directory. Just bring it here then. Yeah, there you go, ad.btcloud.com. Now this one is our Active Directory, you can see. So if you click on domain controllers, you see Active Directory. The domain controller is this one, AD computer, and if you go to users, so you'll see so many users here, but now the administrator is the user one and another guest is down. We can create one user, so let's do that one here. For now, let's create one user, new user. So I will create this one as user one. So user one, okay, and user one, that's fine. Hit next. User must change password, so let's not change password. User password never expires. Let's set this one and set the password, and next, finish. There you go, user one is created. And if you log out and log in there through the new user that we just created, you'll be logged in. So the other user one, password is one that I just said now. Oh, what happened? Contact. Okay. What's happening here? Okay, just a second, I need to slow down. The sign in method you're trying to use is not allowed. Okay, I need to sign in just like that. BT cloud /. Okay, sorry. Oh my goodness, I need backward slash. Oh my god, I need backward slash. Okay, now it's problem. My keyboard doesn't have backward slash. Oh my goodness, it has, but it's different thing. Okay, no problem. Right now I'll just log in with the administrator. I'll create another virtual machine, Windows 10, and I'll install Windows 10 or Windows 11, and then I'll add that computer to this Active Directory, and we can continue from there. I think you like this video tutorial. For more videos, just like my YouTube channel, subscribe, and just leave some comments to me. Thank you for watching.